It was 12:13 on a Wednesday morning, halfway through the work week, and we got a little reprieve from the cold yesterday. We got up into the upper 30s, just missed 40 degrees, nowhere near 40 degrees this afternoon, although we are sitting at 23 with sunshine. So, I mean, it's just kind of your typical cold January day, but there is a pesky breeze northwest at 12, making it feel like it's 12 degrees outside, and that's more or less where wind chills are going to be hanging out for the rest of the afternoon. Even colder in the hills. Pittsfield, for example, 14, Worcester right now at 19. Factor in that breeze, and let's check out our wind chills. Feels like it's 1 right now in Pittsfield, 7 in Worcester. So bright and sunny. Sunglasses needed for sure this afternoon, but of course that thick winter jacket, gloves, and hat this afternoon as well. Satellite radar composite of the northeast, lots of clear skies and sunshine. You know, I can't even zoom out and show you where our storm is because it hasn't developed yet. In fact, it's not going to start to develop till probably either late Thursday night or Friday morning. But the big question really comes down to the track of the storm. We say track in strength. We know it's going to be a powerful storm system. The question is, how close does it track to the shoreline? Inevitably will determine how much snow and wind we end up with. So let's jump ahead to Friday morning. This is our Futurecast Friday morning. You look across the south and you see a few showers offshore, a few flurries across the northeast. There are no signs yet of storm development. However, we're going to have cold air diving down from the north, a lot of warm air to the south, and right along that temperature divide, that's where we're going to see storm development. So I'm going to forward this from Friday morning all the way up into Friday afternoon and then into Saturday. Look how this storm system develops so quickly offshore. A classic nor'easter, bombogenesis, so to speak, and what that means is the storm is going to develop rapidly as it moves up the eastern seaboard. This particular path gives all of southern New England huge snow totals, but not so fast because it does all come down to the track, and we still have these two scenarios. One track brings it close to the shoreline, the other one brings it a little further out. Of course, the difference means all the difference in the world for us. If we have more of that westerly track, we'd be talking about a major snowstorm here in Western Mass with 1 to 2 feet of snow, would have some blowing, some drifting, and we could be talking about blizzard conditions. An easterly track would give us significantly less snow, some accumulation in some wind, but it would be kind of just a typical amount of snowfall for us. It wouldn't be a major snowstorm. In eastern Mass, the Cape and the Islands would get walloped. Right now, I would favor it being more of an easterly track, but keep in mind, we're still 3 days out. So the best chance of picking up more than a foot of snow would be Worcester County, Boston, Cape Cod, and the islands. I think we have a moderate chance. The further west you go, the lower the chance of picking up big snow totals. We can't put numbers to it because a slight change in the track means big differences in how much snow we end up getting. It's going to be a powerful storm. All comes down to the track. We have a few days to figure it out, but let's plan on at least some accumulating snow Saturday and some wind along with it as well. No problems Friday. I think even if you have Friday evening plans, you're fine. It's not till well after midnight, probably during the day on Saturday. That's when we have the best chance of picking up some moderate to perhaps heavy snowfall with some strong gusty winds. It'll be that light fluffy snow, so it piles up quick, but it's easy to move around. But of course, that would reduce visibilities. It would likely wind down Saturday evening, and by Sunday it's gone. Of course, we'd have the snow on the ground, and there'd be some blowing and drifting of the snow as well. So for this afternoon, it's about the cold and sunshine, temps in the teens and lower 20s. The wind will diminish this evening. That will allow temps to tumble down below zero. We bounce back tomorrow afternoon with less wind, just a few high thin clouds, temperatures in the upper 20s, and it looks like we'll dry all day Friday now as well. The clouds will have a tendency to thicken. I actually think we'll see a little sun on Friday. And then it's late Friday night into Saturday. We'll have light snow in the morning, and then we'll see how much it ramps up along with the wind during the day on Saturday. It's cold, a high of 20. When you have gusty winds, wind chills will be in the single digits and teens, and then the storm will pull away. Along the shoreline, could have winds over 60 miles per hour with, of course, coastal flooding along the shoreline as well. All right, that's your forecast. Another look at weather coming up in a few minutes. David, back over to you.
All right, Dan, thank you very much.